Hello guys, so welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox Kodak M11 Lavalier microphone. So for information, Kodak is an American company which makes different products related to photography and videography. This is a lavalier microphone which is omnidirectional. It catches sounds from all direction. So this is the box packaging you see here. The box is awesome. The pricing on this box is rupees 1,999, but I got this from a local store where I paid rupees 1650. On the side, you can see it is written Kodak M11 Lavalier microphone on both the sides. So now, without any delay, let's open the box. So this comes with a carry pouch with Kodak branding on it. Let me keep the box aside and let's unbox this package. So first of all, we get the microphone, which is packed in a plastic casing, and we also get a dead cat to eliminate extreme windy noises. Keeping this aside, let's open the packaging. So here is the microphone. In first look, I can say the build quality is actually very good. The clip seems to be of metal. The connector seems to have a gold plating on it. You can see the wire is pretty long. We also get a connector for connecting this microphone to our smartphones. So we can use this connector to connect the microphone to our smartphones. Without this connector, we can directly use the microphone on a DSLR camera. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll be posting a review of this microphone very soon in my next video. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for technology related videos. Thank you and have a great day.